Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, viewers and spectators. Welcome to Professor Ghulam Hussain Bhatti Chemistry channel. The topic of today's discussion is molecule. My dear students, first year chemistry, chapter number 1. Now, the first question is differentiate between atom, molecule and compound. My dear students, what is molecule? First one, the smallest particle of a pure substance which can exist independently is called molecule. Or we can also say that chemical combination of same or different atoms is also called molecule. Chemical combination of different or same atoms is called molecule. For example, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन मिलकर H2O मॉलिक्यूल बना देते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज एटम? माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ एन एलिमेंट विच मे और मे नॉट एग्जिस्ट फ्रीली इज कॉल्ड एटम. अब किसी भी एलिमेंट के छोटे से छोटे हिस्से को एटम कहते हैं और एटम मिलकर क्या बनाते हैं? मॉलिक्यूल्स बनाते हैं. एटम्स कंबाइन टू फॉर्म मॉलिक्यूल्स. NaCl मॉलिक्यूल नहीं होता बल्कि फार्मूला यूनिट कहलाता है. जिसमें कोवलेंट बॉन्ड होता है वो मॉलिक्यूल होता है और जिसमें आयनिक बॉन्ड होता है वो मॉलिक्यूल नहीं होता बल्कि फार्मूला यूनिट या उसको कंपाउंड कहते हैं. नाउ कंपाउंड, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इज कॉल्ड कंपाउंड. जब ज्यादा मॉलिक्यूल इकट्ठे हो जाएं तो कंपाउंड बनाते हैं. Now the example of molecules, my dear students, water, for example, water represents H2O represents one molecule of H2O water, while Na3 represents ammonia represents one molecule of ammonia, and similarly helium, neon, argon, krypton consist of monoatomic molecules and they have only one atom, that is noble gases have monoatomic molecules. Now my dear students, classification of molecule is our next topic. What is the classification of molecule? My dear students, we have classified molecule on the basis of nature, atomicity and size. Now first of all, we will discuss about classification of molecule on the basis of nature. There are two types of classes of molecule on the basis of nature. Number one, homoatomic molecule and heteroatomic molecule. First one is homoatomic molecule. A molecule which consists of, which is composed of same or one kind of atoms is called homoatomic molecule. Homo means same, atomic means atom. For example, H2, N2, Cl2, O2, Br2, S8 and phosphorus, etc. Now what are heteroatomic molecules? Hetero means different. A molecule which is composed of different kind of atoms is called, which is composed of different kind of atoms is called heteroatomic molecule. For example, HF, HCl, HBr, SO2, CO2, H2S, H2O, etc. Now there is a short question regarding this classification. What are the classes of molecule on the basis of nature? Then you will have to answer. There are two classes of molecule on the basis of nature. Number one, homoatomic molecule, and number two, heteroatomic molecule, and give at least two examples in each case. The second type is atomicity. Atomicity, number of atoms present in a molecule is called atomicity. My dear students, number of atoms present in a molecule is called atomicity. For example, H2O has 3 atoms and its atomicity is 3. NH3 has 4 atoms, its atomicity is 4. And glucose have 24 molecules, so its atomicity is 24. Dear students, on the basis of atomicity, we have classified molecules into three classes: monatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, and polyatomic molecules. My dear students, number one, monatomic molecule. Monatomic molecule which consists of only one atom is called monoatomic molecule. Mono mean one. For example, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are noble gases. They have only one atom and they are called monoatomic molecules. Now the diatomic molecule, a molecule which consists of two atoms of same or different atoms, is called diatomic molecule. For example, H2, N2, O2, Cl2, HCl, HBr, CO, NOBr2, etc. Now, what are polyatomic molecules? My dear students, a molecule which consists of two or more than two same or different kind of atoms is called polyatomic molecules. Poly mean many, di mean two. For example, ammonia, Na3, ozone, O3, glucose, C6H12O6, H2S, H2O, etc. And similarly, there is another class which is called triatomic molecule, which consists of three atoms. For example, in the case of triatomic molecule, for example, H2O, H2S, O3 are triatomic molecules. We also call them polyatomic molecules as well if a molecule consists of more than three atoms. Now, my dear students, there is a short question regarding atomicity. Define atomicity, give its types. Then you will have to define it. This is the definition of atomicity. After definition, you will explain these three types with at least two examples. My dear students, now the third type of classification of molecule on the basis of size. My dear students, there are two types of classification molecules on the basis of size. Number one, micromolecule, and number two is macromolecule. Now, number one is micromolecule. Molecules containing fewer number of atoms are small in size are called micromolecules. Micro means small. Those molecules which consist of small number of atoms and they have small size are called micromolecules. For example, H2O, CO2, H2SO4 and glucose, etc. My dear students, micromolecules are simple molecules and they exist as monomer. Mono mean one, single, and mar mean unit. जिनका single unit होता है, जो single unit एक unit पर मुश्तमिल होते हैं. Now, my dear student, macromolecule. Macro mean large. Molecules containing large number of atoms and are large in size are called macromolecule. For example, hemoglobin, cellulose, starch and protein, etc. My dear students, we will explain here one example of macromolecule, that is hemoglobin. My dear students, what is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is a blood protein and it helps to carry oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body to form oxyhemoglobin. My dear students, hemoglobin, what is the role of hemoglobin? It helps to carry oxygen from our lungs to all parts of the body to form oxyhemoglobin. It is a macromolecule. My dear students, hemoglobin consists of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and iron. Each molecule of hemoglobin consists of 10,000 atoms. My dear students, hemoglobin is 68,000 times heavier than that of hydrogen atom. My dear students, there is a short question related to classification of molecule on the basis of size. Question is, what are macromolecules? And give one example or give or explain the hemoglobin. My students, viewers and spectators, thank you very much for watching my video. I have explained molecule and its classification of molecule and its relevant short questions with reasons. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my video with your friends. Thank you.